Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're gonna do some climbing tuts. Okay, climbing tuts. What is a climbing tut? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a tut that climbs. Okay, and there are different ways to do that. The first method that I learned a long time ago was to start from the very bottom. Okay, and you figure out all the tutting angles you can at the very bottom as far as your arms could reach without having to bend your knees, because obviously you can go a lot lower if you're like squatting or whatever, putting one knee down. But the point is, you're standing up straight. Okay, you're using what you've got, and you want to start from the side. Okay, and this is how you do it. So you work your way from the bottom of your grid to the top of your grid. So if this was the bottom grid, right, the very bottom, this would be the top. I don't know if you can see it, but this would be the very top right here. Okay, and how do you go from here to here? You can just do one step and just go boom, you just climbed. But really, that's not what it's about. It's about all the steps in between. It's about the journey. Okay, how do we get there in a way that is more interactive and more climby, you know? Here's a pattern that you can do from the bottom. You just go 1, 2, 3, up. There's 4. Okay, that's 4 steps, and it already made it more interesting that I added 4 steps to going from here to there. Okay, here's another way you can go. You can start here, and then you can open it up, and then keep on opening up your tuts until it gets to the top, like that. Okay, one more time. This is how that one goes. It's here, you open it, and then from here you isolate your wrists, and then you pop up your elbows, then pop out your arms like that, and then you go up here like that, and then inward, and then up. Okay, one more time. Boom, 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 up. Nice, and then back down. And of course you can reverse things. Climbing tuts don't always have to go from the bottom up. You can climb your way down from here and go boom, 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 boom. Kind of get the concept now, right? It's just pretty much making it appear like your tuts are working to get to somewhere up here, and it'll look like it's climbing, you know? Another thing you could do is doing one arm at a time, so it doesn't always have to match each other like this. You can do that just to like practice having even arm positions, right? But once you get your climbing grid down, or once you understand how to maneuver all the way up with one arm or 2 arms or whatever, you can start playing with the patterns and start breaking up the patterns. Okay, instead of just going here, 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 you can go like something like here, 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 or something like that. You know what I mean? So all I did was I did one at a time, and then the next one, and then the next one, the next one, next one, next one, next one, boom. Okay, and then you could do it backwards. Let's see if I can do it. Here, I already got stuck. Like, let's say like you don't know where to go. Remember, your grid is always gonna go up, down, left, right, corners. There's squares everywhere. So if you get stuck, and like let's say I'm here, like how would I get down all the way? You can either slide, boom, slide, boom, slide, slide, boom, boom, here, 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 and then try to remember the pattern that you do, and then try to repeat that pattern over and over until you can get to a level where you're comfortably doing it without having to check your angles. Okay, so that's a good way to practice climbing tuts is yeah, you just repeat it until you feel comfortable, and then once you feel comfortable, you should film yourself and double check your angles, or do it in front of a mirror, or whatever it takes for you to feel like, okay, this is, I know what I'm doing, and this is what I want to do, and then that will allow you to open up more paths for each arm, okay, when you do climbing tuts. That's pretty much it for climbing tuts. If you have any questions or if you want to learn more patterns, go ahead and message me at ken.poriotics on Instagram, or in the Patreon comments, or in the YouTube comments, wherever. Let me know and I will get back to you, and see you next time. Peace.